Hi, my name is Trina Sanders. I'm a physical therapist in Houston, Texas. Just opened a clinic about a year and a half ago and joined Breakthrough about 3 months ago. It's been a phenomenal experience. From the weekly meetings with Chad, who provides insight on how to build and grow our practice, up until this point where I'm at the conference, the conclusion of the Breakthrough event, meeting new business owners who have been in the business for a very long time. I've met people who have up to 27 clinics, so it's been very inspirational. It's just been a fun event. I've learned a lot in this time. I would absolutely recommend Breakthrough. Again, I am a new business owner, so I've learned a lot about key metrics. I've learned about how to track the financial performance of our business. And I know that that may sound like things that I should know, but I am not a finance person by trade. I am a physical therapist, so I know physical therapy. This has helped me hone those skills, so I appreciate the conference.
Perfect, I love it. And what's a recent win that you've had in your practice so far as a result with your work with Breakthrough?
I would say our workshop. We had a workshop of 7 attendees. We put it out at pretty much the last minute because I didn't do the right. I didn't input the information in the system correctly. But we had 7 attendees and we had 4 conversions, so pretty happy about that.